The story of Cinderella. Once upon a time, there was a very kind and beautiful girl. Her name was Cinderella. She lived in a small house with her stepmother and two stepsisters. Her stepsisters were jealous and bossy. Her stepmother was not kind. Cinderella worked very hard. She cleaned the house. She swept the floors and washed the dishes. One day, a message came from the palace.
There would be a grand ball at the castle. The prince would be there.
The stepsisters were very excited. They tried on fancy dresses and laughed loudly. Cinderella wished she could go too. But the stepmother said,
"No. You must stay home and work."
Cinderella felt very sad. That night, something magical happened. A fairy godmother appeared in a soft, shining light. She smiled and said,
"You're kind, Cinderella, and I'm going to help you."
The fairy waved her wand and magic filled the air. Cinderella's old clothes changed into a lovely dress.
Wow!
The fairy waved her wand again. The pumpkin turned into a beautiful carriage. Little mice turned into strong white horses. The cat turned into a kind royal coachman.
Uh-oh. Wow! Oh, wow!
Cinderella ran towards the carriage. Sparkling glass shoes with shiny heels appeared on her feet. The fairy godmother said,
"You may go to the ball, but you must come back by 12 o'clock. When the clock strikes 12, the magic will end."
Cinderella went to the ball. The music played and the lights sparkled. She danced with the prince and they smiled and laughed together. But soon the clock began to ring. It was 12 o'clock. Cinderella ran down the castle steps. As she hurried away, one glass shoe fell to the ground. Cinderella returned home. The next day, the prince searched everywhere. He carried the glass shoe with him. He wanted to find the girl from the ball. At Cinderella's house, the stepsisters tried on the shoe. But their feet were either too small or too big. Then Cinderella tried on the shoe, and it fit her perfectly. Suddenly, magic sparkled once again. A soft glow surrounded Cinderella. She turned into a beautiful princess. The prince was happy. Cinderella was happy, and they lived happily ever after.